and getting rid of grease the green way. There's a local company that's found a greener way to help restaurants get rid of dirty oil and grease. The company says it should also save restaurants some money. Manolo Morales explains.
This is a part of the restaurant that they never want customers to see, the grease trap. But the owners of Lucy's Grill and Bar in Kailua are proud to show it off because it normally looks a lot worse.
There is a 3-foot thick raft of what looks like gray cottage cheese floating on the surface, and you don't see any water. It's just a solid raft.
Grease and food waste are washed down from the kitchen into the sinks, which all wind up in the grease trap. It's the restaurant's responsibility to pump out that solid waste, and a lot of that winds up in landfills. Pumping it out also has a hefty price tag.
When you pump a 750-gallon grease trap once a month at 55 cents a gallon, it comes out to be about $450 every time they pump.
A company based on the Big Island called Hydrologix has eliminated the problem of having to pump out that solid waste by installing a grease reduction system. It basically makes the grease disappear in the grease trap.
It's the same science in a wastewater treatment plant. There's absolutely no difference. We're not doing any magic here.
The key component is a substance called microbes, a powdery grain in its dormant form, but with a voracious appetite when applied into the grease trap.
So they physically eat the grease. That's their food.
The company presented the technology to other restaurants, hotels, along with city and state officials, because in addition to saving restaurants money, it can also help clear out the sewage system.
It's estimated that between 60 and 80% of the workload in a sewer plant comes from fog, which is fats, oil, and greases.
Manolo Morales, KHON 2 News.